Today we're opening up the Triton key machine. Came in 2 boxes. I got this from American Key Supply through Carrie. We did some demos at the Just Cars show. What do we have first? Nice bolt down kit. But screen protector. Comes with the screen protector. I like that. We have the auxiliary power adapter. Run this machine off of a cigarette lighter adapter in a car. Or I guess they just call it a power adapter now. With a spare fuse. I like it. And then Jaws is. Oh man, are you kidding? Comes with all that? All of that? That's insane. 2mm cutter. Cutter for non-conductive keys. That's insane. It really does do it all. It's got every jaw. That's one job. Man. I'll have to read the book on how to do this stuff. Alright, got our jaws. I got this now. So this was actually shipped direct to American Key Supply from Lock Labs, which is cool. Oh man. It's another box. It's a box in a box. Updated user manual. Power cord. Tools. More cutters. Brass brush. Tip stop. Packing list. Looks right so far. The rest of the power adapter. Never mind those noises over there. You know what? We're gonna have to cut the box to get to the box. Excellent shape. Being shipped all over the world. I don't know if that's true. Could reuse this saran wrap for burritos later. Okay, let's open that. nice. They took a lot of care packaging it. Okay, you watched me open a box and take stuff out of it. Alright, so I gotta get this out to the truck to get it mounted. And when I looked at the owner's manual, it didn't say how to install this mounting kit, but I did see a video on YouTube, so let's see what we got. We might need a tool. Let's see, 2.5-ish. I'm gonna get the mount on. So that's not it at all. I'll be right back. Okay, found one. Here we go. Alright, so the YouTube guys, they said how to do this. They laid it on its side. I've already unplugged it. I really don't want to hurt this thing. It's my precious. Let's see. Okay. Alright, let's do it this way. Oh, baby. Alright. So the way I believe these are supposed to fit, not like that, but like that, maybe. Up here. Up at the front. That makes sense. There's a spot for these. Let's go for it, I guess. YOLO. This is probably why we have long screws. If it pops open, 50 bucks says 20 bags of corn nuts pop out. This is not an advanced speed, that's just how quickly my hand moves, because it's like a superpower. That's not doing anything. It's just not going nowhere. What the? What? Huh? Okay. Let's see. Is this one coming off? Did I leave this on? Oh, this thing's moving. But this isn't. Yeah. Okay. Well, there's a technical thing going on here. Good thing we have this, which is also the wrong side. I'll be right back. Okay, so I use this Allen wrench to tighten down that Allen nut to tighten down this Allen wrench so I can unscrew these Allen screws. Woof. Alright, 10 times speed. Right where I wanted it. Perfect. Now, I believe we do leave this metal piece on because that holds the tray in. So that'll stay. But this still comes out first. We need that one. This is the one that's getting replaced. I'm going to be using that one. Okay. Alright. Pretty cool long screw. And yeah, it's working. It's working. Alright. Let's go. Nice and loosey-ish until I get all three of them going. There we go. And well, that doesn't reach far enough now, does it? They didn't give us any other screws. That one's nice. This one just kind of stripped out. Kind of short. This one's probably too long. Definitely too long. Let's see here. Oh, okay. So we're going to loosen this one. That's pretty loose. I don't like that. I'm thinking we do have to take that metal plate off. It's the only way the screws are going to have enough bite. And it looks like the tray will still be held on by this. Okay. We're learning, you know? We're learning. Alright. So, I don't remember seeing this part on the YouTube video. Take these two out. Oh boy. Look at that. Look in there. You're looking at my Key Machines skirt. Okay. Bad joke. It's not all going to be gold, fellas. Okay. Get this going. Spin this way. Yeah, that's still going to hold the tray in. Okay. And that's going to make up for the size difference on these screws, which is a very good thing. Yeah, lots of bite now. I don't want to overdo that one until this one's lined up. That one almost stripped out before. Nice and tight. Super tight. Fancy. Okay, now this side. Oh boy. I must elevate the machine. Oh. All right, this is not super great, but you know what? We're going for it. First step is going to be to remove the big dog. Now we have an Allen wrench that is tightened and can do the job. 10 times speed, as usual. Come on, get out. Oh. Get out. So, one-handed here. Thread already, jeez. I'm sure that's user error. Okay. Oh boy. It's okay, folks. I'm a professional. Wow. What is this? They put felt on there so it slides nice when that other tray is on, the metal thing that was there. That's pretty sweet. Alright. Looks like this sucker has wings. The Triton can fly. Or something. Okay. And then this bad boy. I mean, once I bolt this down to my workbench, it's not going anywhere. When they make the holes big enough, you can figure out a way to use a padlock with it, I'm sure. Okay. Well, the Triton don't jiggle. Oh, it's heavy. Alright, good thing they give you handles. Alright, the big test. Well, the door's still open. Oh yeah, too easy. Oh, another thing. Yeah, it felt for when that other tray's there. But this is nice. I'm a very happy camper, very pleased customer, very happy, very happy. Thank you, Carrie at American Key Supply, for giving us the awesome show special at Just Cars. And we'll get this installed in the van and then, you know, start doing my job. So that'll be cool. All right, thank you. Well, I got it installed. I'm gonna need to rebuild my workbench. I was planning on it anyway, but this sucker's in for now. And we got a quick engraving going. And you can change the speed of the engraving. You can change the depth. You can add text. You can add pictures. I don't have any pictures loaded right now, but I did do an engraving. And look at that. Would you look at that? American Key Supply did it again. Thank you, Carrie. Alright, so we threw in the S2 jaw, that same key that we just engraved, and we got it on B, because that's what it said. We used that built-in tip stop. It's in there. And, oh no, hold on, stop. I still have the engraver in there. I'll be right back. Okay, we put the right cutter in there, and now that was my order number from American Key Supply, so we're going to cut that on our key. Let's see how it goes. First key. Let's see how fast this thing is. It lets you pick the key shape. You can put on all the biddings you want. This is insane. That was it. It's a lot faster than my previous machine. Alright. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty good. So there we go. Triton. If you don't have one, get one. Call Carrie.